Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to change the oil on your second gen Frontier. This will work from anything from 2005 to 2021. Same process, same filter for both the 4-cylinder and the 4.0 engine. So let's get her done. So this vehicle is fairly simple to change the oil, I tell you what. Got a 10mm wrench for the skid plate to get to the oil filter, and I got a 14mm for the oil pan. And got me a new filter, of course, and I got 6 quarts of 5W30. This takes about 5.3 quarts. So let's get her done. I'll start by draining that oil. Ooh, that's hot. That completes the oil change on the second gen Frontier. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a 2016. It's only got 39,200 miles on it, so I just use this rig for camping. So if you want to check out any of my adventures, there are plenty on this channel. That's what I primarily do here, but I decided since I have this truck, I'd show everyone how to do an oil change really quick. And I appreciate you checking it out. All right, you take care.